Hello everyone, greetings of the day. So, this is Mehak Srivastav. I am a student enrolled in IIT Mandi CSE into Mind and Technologies program. So, today this is all about explaining our project and what we have created in the span of all these 3 months and what we have learned. So, this is the time to implement our learning. So, for me, I have chosen the project Tic Tac Toe. So, the theme suggests that it kind of felt like. So this is all about explaining that what you have learned and how to implement the ideas you have. So I want to tell you about a game that's all about understanding and navigating relationships. Yeah, it's kind of it's a game that requires empathy, strategy, and a little bit of humor. That's maybe making it more dramatic, but yeah. So imagine you're in a situation where you're interacting with someone, maybe a friend, a partner, or even a stranger. You're trying to understand their thoughts, feelings, and motivation, but as we all know, people can be complex and unpredictable. So, in this game, you will be presented with different scenarios, challenges that require you to think critically and make decisions. You might need to decode someone's emotions, navigate a difficult conversation, and then manage your own feelings. The goal is to build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts, and become a better communicator and have some like short bit of makeups like 1 2 3. So all you do while doing that cross and zero and making us all effect. So I will be highlighting the main elements. So it is all about you will need to able to put yourself in other people's shoes, understand their perspective, and express yourself clearly. So are you ready to give it a try? And the game is just a fun one. I literally first started for me. So let's get started and see how we can build stronger, more meaningful and connections with other. So I will be delving you more into deeper the game for it. So the question is what is tic tac toe? So it is a simple implementation of the classic game we played that tic tac toe we have must have played in our junior classes and so on. And even as an adult, so the game allows two player. One will be taking the X and the another one will be taking the zero. So each one will be take a turn in a 3 cross 3 grid. So the first player who gets to make a 3 in a row, like it can be vertically, horizontally, diagonally. No offense, but it should be in a row wise. So the that player will win the game automatically. So, what was my objective while creating this project? So, it was about to create a functional tic-tac-toe game in Python and to implement the game including turn, iteration, move, validation, event detection, and to provide a simple and intuitive user interface. It is a very easy game, like everyone must have played. So, I don't think that anyone will get confused with the rules and so on. So, um, the main function I have created is was the print board, the access state, Z state. I've used to give them like check win, like for okay, how do we check the win? So check win, access state, Z state, and sum of ABC. So this function returns the sum of the three numbers where we have been dealing with the horizontal perspective. So that's how I implemented the project. So, how can you play the game? The goal and how to play. So, first of all, the player X will make the first move. They're supposed to have taken the X and they put it in one of the any one of the line squares. So, then the player which we have chosen the zero will make their first move by placing their zero in an empty square. So, and then that's how players will take their alternator and the game is won when any of the player will get to make, as I told you, diagonally symbol in a row wise. So if all the square are filled and no player has won, then the game is drawn.